Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Edgaras. I've been working in operations for 15 years and I've seen firsthand the challenges and opportunities that come with managing complex cloud environments. Currently, I am heading service operations at Devoteam Managed Services, and I'm looking forward for sharing some insights with you today. Just to start the session, do you know what is the difference between a champion and a loser? It's fairly simple. A champion is a loser who tried again. And failure is not the opposite of success. It's simply a part of it. We're here to talk about something that is on the minds of nearly every organization navigating the digital landscape, cloud complexity, and how we deal with it. We see companies struggling with the cloud or even multi-cloud maze while juggling different vendors, APIs, and management consoles. The DevOps velocity, keeping up with rapid deployments and ensuring stability. The cloud security, the cloud optimization, trying to make sense of dynamic pricing and resource utilization. And last but not the least, the lack of in-house expertise. Essentially, companies are trying to build and manage digital landscapes that are constantly evolving and changing. This complexity isn't just a technical challenge, it's a business challenge. It leads to increased operational overhead, a higher risk of failures, slower incident response times, and potential security vulnerabilities. And that's where cloud operations come in. Cloud operations is the discipline that helps us tame the complexity. It's about putting in place the strategies, tools, and processes needed to manage and optimize these dynamic environments. It's about ensuring reliability, security, and cost efficiency in the face of constant change. We need to move past reacting to incidents and move towards proactive management. We need to build systems that can withstand the inevitable failures and learn from them. And that's exactly what we're trying to cover in this session. Now, would you fail on purpose? Does avoiding something make it more likely to happen? Well, we don't know if moon phases have serious effects on IT system stability, but what we do know is no systems are 100% stable. We plan for failures, and in some cases, we even promote it. For example, Netflix designed Chaos Monkey, which randomly breaks IT systems to test resilience. Failure is a good thing, but like most things, it needs to be treated in the right way. The sun is good for you, but too much of it will burn you. Too much water may flood the city. Like these examples from nature, failure needs to be harnessed in the right way by introducing postmortems, not the ones where people scream at each other. I know I've been to one or two like that in my life. Increasing collaboration, communication, and improving transparency, trust, and partnerships among the teams. Organizations that are able to harness failure are able to build stronger, more secure, and more innovative IT environments. SRE practices give a significant amount of attention to failure, whatever systems, process, or human-driven. It is no different from life itself. Failure is a stepping stone for a breakthrough. Mistakes, when addressed in a no-blame way, create space for opportunities. No blame and curiosity can highlight weak points in systems, processes, designs. When companies or leaders look for someone to blame, it often creates a culture of sweeping failures under the rug, which usually leads to larger, more painful, or even fatal failures. Devoteam is an AI-driven tech consulting firm specializes in the cloud platform, cyber, data, and sustainability. Tech native for almost 30 years, Devoteam guides business through sustainable digital transformation to deliver value. And in our managed services organizations, we are very proud to be one of the best in the class as triple certified on 3 major clouds, able to provide a full range of infrastructure, security, data, AI services to our customers. At Devoteam, we believe in a cloud-native approach of cloud management. Services that deserve a specific and high level of automation and operational excellence to benefit the full potential of the cloud infrastructure, whether it's AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, in order to fully focus on your business needs. I know it may seem complicated with all these DevOps style circles on the slide, but the general idea behind Devoteam managed service operations is rather simple. We've broken down the silos between the engineering teams, which greatly improves quality, collaborations, delivery, speed. Having our most senior SREs readily available for our clients significantly reduces problem resolution times. And yes, our junior colleagues know there's always someone they can reach out to when they're in doubt. We're very serious about our approach to tooling and partnerships. Tools make a huge difference in every aspect of our works. I still remember a question from one of my senior managers some time ago. Do you know what is the difference between a good operations engineer and a great one? I gave him many answers, most of which probably sounded like something you would find in a management 101 book. In its tools, he said, so simple yet so wise. The more than 100 years of combined combat experience. To be honest, the 100 is just because it sounds cool. I did the counting, it's way more. As for our global approach, process, and tooling, we don't believe in jack of all trades. Our team is built from talents across many different areas, and I believe that next slide will tell the story better. Here are some of our badges, and it's not all of them, just the ones that are most relevant for this slide. We're heavily certified across all 3 major cloud providers, and not just in the latest technologies like Kubernetes, though it's becoming quite established, or AI. We also have deep expertise in legacy infrastructure, because how can you plan for the future if you don't understand the past? We act as the last line of defense for our clients, so we ensure comprehensive coverage. In many cases, we provide support even beyond the defined services scope. Let's jump into a customer case. You see some impressive numbers on there, and yeah, this example is not a random one. Here, alongside the customer, we did many great things while falling and trying again and again. Linux kernel vulnerabilities were reduced by 89%. Cloud-native backup solution introduced with self-healing automation, which brought backups to a 0.5 failure rate. And I think our self-healing run rate was around 20,000 backup jobs in 2 weeks. 71% of complicated applications were automated to start-stop. Cloud-native patching brought the environment to 96% success rate. DR testing time reduced by 75%. And cherry on the top is that monthly incidents were brought down from 5,000 to 500, and P1s, P2s were reduced by 97% from roughly 2,000 to 50 a month. Want to see what we're all about? Just scan this QR code with your phone. It'll take you straight to our Devoteam Managed Services page. You will find everything you need to know about how can we help you with your cloud stuff. And of course, feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you, and hopefully see you soon.